5 Ways Artificial Intelligence is Revolutionizing E-Marketing. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of e-marketing and exploring how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their customers. Let's get started. 1. Personalized customer experiences. First up, personalized customer experiences. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, from browsing history to past purchases, to create tailored recommendations for each individual user. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also increases conversion rates. Imagine landing on a website and seeing products that seem like they've been picked just for you. That's AI in action. E-commerce giants like Amazon and Netflix are masters of this, using AI to suggest items and content you'll love, making your shopping or viewing experience seamless and enjoyable. 2. Chatbots and customer support. Next, let's talk about chatbots and customer support. AI-powered chatbots are transforming how businesses handle customer inquiries. Available 24/7, these intelligent bots can answer questions, provide product information, and even resolve issues without human intervention. This not only saves time for customers, but also reduces operational costs for businesses. Chatbots like those on websites or within apps ensure that customers always receive timely and efficient support, enhancing their overall experience. 3. Predictive Analytics. Third on our list is Predictive Analytics. AI can analyze current and historical data to predict future trends, customer behaviors, and sales patterns. This allows businesses to make informed decisions about inventory management, marketing strategies, and more. By understanding what customers are likely to want in the future, companies can stay ahead of the curve, optimizing their marketing campaigns and product offerings to meet demand. 4. Enhanced content creation. Fourth, enhanced content creation. AI tools are now capable of generating high-quality content, from blog posts and social media updates to product descriptions and email newsletters. These tools can analyze which types of content perform best, and even adapt the tone and style to match a brand's voice. This streamlines the content creation process, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and creativity, while AI handles the heavy lifting of writing and optimization. 5. Optimized ad campaigns. Last but not least, optimized ad campaigns. AI takes the guesswork out of advertising by analyzing user data and behavior to create highly targeted ad campaigns. This ensures that ads are shown to the right people at the right time, maximizing ROI. With AI, marketers can continuously monitor and adjust their campaigns in real time, ensuring optimal performance and higher conversion rates. AI in e-marketing. The future is now. And there you have it, 5 ways artificial intelligence is revolutionizing e-marketing. From personalized experiences to optimized ad campaigns, AI is transforming the way businesses connect with their customers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the latest marketing trends. Thanks for watching.